The Aveda professional skincare techniques are designed to be performed in conjunction with the balancing skincare experience. They may be included as part of an elite balancing skincare experience or performed during a skincare event. Each technique adds 5 to 10 minutes to the guest appointment. The techniques elevate the performance of the balancing skincare experience, integrate professional skincare techniques into the retail experience, and educate guests on how to use Aveda skincare products and associated techniques to achieve elevated results at home. To prepare for the balancing skincare experience, conduct a skincare consultation using the Scalp to Soul consultation tool to determine the Aveda skincare system appropriate for the guest's needs. Ask the guest to use the disposable hairband to hold their hair in place and invite them to recline in the facial chair. Wash your hands thoroughly before touching the guest. For an elite experience, remove any eye makeup. Moisten 2 cotton rounds with warm water and wring out the excess water. Apply a small amount of Pure Comfort eye makeup remover to the cotton rounds and gently wipe them over the guest's eyelids to remove any eyeshadow, moving from the inner corners to the outer corners. Then gently wipe the cotton rounds over the eyelashes in a light downward motion to remove any mascara. Ask the guest to look up. Turn the cotton rounds over and gently wipe under the eyes to remove any residual makeup. Continue onto the other eye. Moisten 2 more cotton rounds with warm water and wring out the excess water. Gently wipe the cotton rounds over the entire eye area to remove any residual makeup. Then cleanse the guest's skin. Apply a nickel-size amount of the appropriate facial cleanser to your hands. Starting at the chin, sweep the cleanser across the guest's face, moving up the cheeks, nose, and forehead. Moisten your hands with a small amount of warm water. Starting at the chin, cleanse the skin using small, upward and outward circular motions, moving toward the hairline. Continue to cleanse the skin in this manner, moving up the face and around the nose and mouth. To remove the cleanser, moisten 2 cotton rounds with warm water and wring out the excess water. Starting at the chin, sweep the cotton rounds up the guest's face using upward and outward motions. Make sure to remove all cleanser from the hairline. Use additional cotton rounds as needed. To tone the guest's skin, moisten 2 cotton rounds with the appropriate liquid exfoliant or toner. Starting at the chin, sweep the cotton rounds across the guest's face using upward and outward motions. If using a spray toner, cover the guest's eyes with one hand and mist the toner over the skin with the other hand. Make sure to hold the toner 10 to 12 inches above the guest's face, with the nozzle parallel to the guest, and spray approximately 5 times. Continue with the customized professional skincare technique and focus. The smoothing exfoliation focus consists of gommage and lip exfoliation techniques. The gommage technique is ideal for guests who are concerned with dry, flaky areas of skin. Consult with the guest to choose an area of focus, such as the forehead, cheeks, or skin around the nose. After cleansing and toning the guest's skin, place moistened cotton rounds over the guest's eyes. Apply a thin layer of tourmaline-charged radiant skin refiner to the chosen area of focus, avoiding the eye area. The section should be no larger than 2 inches long by 1 inch wide. Allow the product to remain on the skin for a moment. When the product is dry, secure the area of skin with one hand, and using the entire length of the middle and/or ring fingers of your other hand, slide them back and forth across the skin. Continue this movement across the entire area of focus until the product starts to roll off the skin and the majority of the product is sloughed off. Apply a liberal amount of beautifying composition oil to the skin. Work the product into the skin using circular motions to lift any residual tourmaline-charged radiant skin refiner from the skin. Then use moistened cotton rounds to remove all products from the skin. Continue with the lip exfoliation technique. Apply a small amount of lip saver to the guest's lips using a disposable applicator. Gently rub a disposable mascara wand back and forth across the guest's lips. Remove any remaining lip saver with moistened cotton rounds. Apply Nourishment Renewing Lip Treatment to the guest's lips. Complete the balancing skincare experience. The relaxing massage focus uses friction, effleurage, and pressure point techniques to help stimulate circulation and promote relaxation. This massage can be performed on guests of all skin types except for sensitive or acneic skin. After cleansing and toning the guest's skin, apply a liberal amount of the chosen Aveda facial massage product to the guest's face. Briskly rub your hands together until they feel warm from the friction. Place one hand on each cheek. Using your entire hand, massage the cheeks using fast, upward and outward motions. Continue until you feel warmth on the skin. Then perform a deep, rolling effleurage technique on each side of the face. Begin at the jawline, move up to the mid-cheek, and end along the zygomatic arch. Repeat 2 times. Then repeat on the other side of the face. Position your hands on the forehead with your fingers pointing toward each other. Massage the forehead using fast back and forth motions, alternating between hands. Using your index and middle fingers, massage the sides of the nose and around the mouth using small, circular motions. Using your middle and ring fingers, massage the forehead using crisscross motions that cover the entire forehead. Conclude by stimulating the 5 pressure points to encourage circulation and release muscular tension. Using your middle finger, press directly on pressure point 1. Hold for a count of 3. Release and repeat twice. Repeat on pressure points 2 through 5. Remove any remaining product from the skin with moistened cotton rounds. Complete the balancing skincare experience. The energizing eye experience uses pressure point and lymphatic drainage techniques to energize the eye area and help reduce the appearance of under-eye circles and puffiness. After cleansing and toning the guest's skin, apply the appropriate treatment product to the guest's skin. Beginning at the chin, sweep the product across the face, moving up the cheeks, nose, and forehead. Dispense a pea-size amount of eye cream onto your ring finger. Disperse the eye cream evenly onto your other ring finger. Gently dab the eye cream over the orbital bone under each eye, moving from the inner corners to the outer corners. Stimulate the 6 energizing eye pressure points to encourage circulation, release muscular tension, and energize the eye area. Using your middle fingers, press directly on pressure point 1 on both eyes. Hold for a count of 3. Release and repeat twice. Repeat on pressure points 2 through 6. Perform the lymphatic drainage techniques. Using your middle and ring fingers, pump them along the orbital bone under the corresponding eye, moving from the inner corners to the outer corners. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Complete the balancing skincare experience. The aromatic mask focus is used during the mask step of the balancing skincare experience. Cool compresses are customized with the guest's preferred aroma and applied over the mask to refresh the skin. During the skincare consultation, perform an aromasensory journey ritual with the 3 recommended singular notes for the guest's skin type or concern. Dispense 5 drops of the guest's chosen aroma into a bowl of cool water. After cleansing and toning the guest's skin, apply the appropriate mask to the guest's skin. Place moistened cotton rounds over the guest's eyes. Then submerge 2 to 3 non-woven 4x4 cotton compresses in the aromatic water and wring out the excess water. Place the cotton compresses over the mask. Dispense 2 drops of the guest's chosen aroma in your hands. Hold them over the guest's nose and instruct them to take 3 deep breaths. Allow the mask to remain on the skin for the recommended amount of time. Use the cotton compresses to remove the mask, and then use moistened cotton rounds to remove any residual product. Complete the balancing skincare experience. After completing the professional skincare technique focus, apply the appropriate treatment product to the guest's skin if you haven't done so already. Then apply the appropriate eye cream to the guest's skin if you haven't done so already. Apply a pea-sized amount of eye cream to your ring finger. Disperse the eye cream evenly onto your other ring finger. Gently dab the eye cream over the guest's orbital bones. Spread the eye cream across the eye area using circular motions, following the direction of the brows. Hydrate the guest's skin by applying a dime-size amount of the appropriate facial moisturizer to your hand. Starting at the chin, sweep the moisturizer across the guest's face, moving up the cheeks, nose, and forehead. Conclude by performing a makeup finishing touch ritual on the guest, focusing on the complexion. Remember to write all product recommendations and application techniques on the guest's prescription pad.